Hi, my name is Sahil, and in this video, I will be creating a multilingual site in Drupal. So, what is multilingual feature? Drupal's built-in language handling abilities deliver value to those who need localized digital experiences, saving them time and money in this process. Building multilingual sites is now faster and easier than ever. Four core modules in Drupal 8 allow full translation of every part of the site. Quickly build everything from customized sites in any language to complex multilingual web applications with dynamic language based displays using multiple admin languages and translation workflows all in Drupal. So let's get started. So here today we will make a website, a Drupal site of different five sports, and we'll add a multilingual feature to it. So let's make a content type, add a content type. We'll go to structure, content types, add content type. We'll name it sport. So in the publishing options, we'll not touch anything. In the menus, we'll just uncheck the main navigation. We'll save and manage fields. So here the content type sport has been added, and the body field also has been created. So we'll add a field of image here. Image, and we'll label it as image. So we'll not keep an default image, and we'll leave it and see field settings. Field image has been created. So types, manage, go to manage fields. We'll go to manage display, and we'll make sure that the links is in the top, then image, then body, and we'll save. So now we'll go back to the site and content, add content. We'll add a sport, title, cricket. So I have some dummy text here, so I'll just copy it. I'm not using lorem or the dummy text like lorem, because we have to add a multilingual feature also in it. So I'm taking this English text and I'm copying it. So I have also some pictures. No. Hmm. Just so this has come here. So now I will add four more sports. Now I will add another. Now I will add basketball. I will add the dummy text here. I'll copy it. So I will add the image LeBron. I'll save it. Add content. Sport. Now I will add football. Control copy. Paste it here. I will add the image now. Football, and I'll save it. So now it will appear here. And the last sport that I'm adding is lawn tennis. Sport title. I'll add lawn tennis. I'll add the dummy text here. I'll browse the image and this image. Alternative text. Lawn tennis, and I'll save it. So now this I have completed making the sports. Now I'll add a views to it. So before creating the view, I will just go to and I will go to structure, then content types, then I'll manage fields, manage display, and I'll make the image hidden, and I'll save it. So now I will create a view for it. I'll go to structure, views, add view. So I'll give it a name sports, and here content type I'll give it sport, create a page, sports, and let it be the teasers only. And I'll create a menu link. I want the menu in main navigation, and I'll just give a capital S here, and I'll click on save and edit. So the view sports has been saved, it has been created. So it will look somewhat like this. So I'll just save it. So now we will go back to the site. So you can see we have got a we have got a link in the main navigation sports, and when we click on it, so this we have got all the sports on tennis, football, basketball, badminton, and cricket, and the image has been hidden. So when I click on football, so then the image will come. So it's looking nice. So now we'll add a theme to it. So I'll just go to Drupal.org, themes, and you can add any theme of your choice. like add minimal, any theme of your choice. So here I will be taking Nexus. Oh, oh sorry. So I'll just add a core compatibility of 8 and search. So a lot of themes will come here. So I will be taking this theme. So it has been downloaded. So I'll go here, appearance, install new theme, browse, downloads, and just downloading. So now we'll add a theme to our Drupal site. So I'll go to um, here. I'll core compatibility. You can choose any of the themes. There are a lot of themes here. There are many themes. So I'll just take one of my choice, Zob. I'll search it. So I will be using this theme. I'll click on it and I'll download the tar.gz file. So now I'll go to appearance, install new theme, and browse. Downloads. Here is a Zob foundation. So I'll install it. Um, so I'll just browse it, tar and open it, install it. Install newly added themes. So I'll scroll down and I'll click on install and set as default. So now I'll go back to the site. So see, it's looking very decent and it's also looking very good. So I'll just shift these two blocks in the footer. So I'll go to structure, block layout, and powered by Drupal in the footer last column, the footer middle column. Now I will save it, go back to the site. So see, they have come here, come down. So now it's looking good. So now I will give a multilingual feature to the site. So I'll now go to extend. So there are total of 4 modules which are responsible for giving a multilingual feature to the site, and they come under the multilingual feature. These 4 modules, as I told you earlier. So you just click on the 4 and enable all and install them. So I have downloaded, I have installed these two languages. You can add many languages from here. There are a lot of languages. You can add many a language, but here I have added those two languages, French and Spanish. So now I will give them a block. So I'll give them a block here in the left sidebar. So for that I will go to structure, block layout. Then I'll see for left sidebar. Here I will place a block and search for language switcher, and I will place the block, save block. So the language switcher block has come here. You can see there are three languages: English, French, and Spanish. So when I click on French, you can see the translation occurs here. For someone or the translation has occurred, and when I change it to Spanish, here also the translation occurs. So, but there is no content inside. In the French also, there is no content, and in English there is content that we made. So let's do it. So for that, I will go to configuration, content language. So here I will choose content, and here I will select all the three. From here you can choose any of the following, just like comment, contact, message. They all are entities in Drupal now. So I'll just select them and I will save configuration. So I'll go back to the site. So here when I choose French, there is no content here, and when I go to content, here the content is here, but in the site we can't see the content there, and these languages is also changed, and it is same for Spanish also. When we click on Spanish, there is no content here, but when we go to content, we can see there is content here. So for French, when I go to content, add content, you can add any of these. So I will add sport. I will take cricket, and I have the dummy texture, so I'll just copy it. I'll paste it. I'll browse the image also. And cricket, let's see, yes, this one. So now I will confirm. Oh, I just missed it. Cricket. I'll just confirm. So from here, when I go to content and just click on edit, so I can change the language from here. I can make it French or Spanish. So I'll make it French and I'll just save it. I'll go back to the site. So here the translate option has come. So this is how a site we can make a multilingual site, and this is how the multilingual feature works. Thank you.